Insect pest of cucurbits. Two insect pests. First is fruit flies. Scientific name is Batrocepa cucurbiti or Daucus cucurbiti. Family is Taphrytidae hemiptera. So fruit flies of cucurbits is Batrocepa cucurbiti or Daucus cucurbiti. Family is Taphrytidae, order is Diptera. Write some characteristics of maggots of cucurbit fruit flies. Maggots. Maggots appear as headless and legless, dirty white in color, minute creature, thicker at one end and tapering to a point at the other end. Write some characteristics of adult cucurbit fruit flies. Adult flies are reddish brown in color with lemon yellow colored markings on the thorax. Reddish brown in color, lemon yellow colored markings on the thorax. Oozing of reminous fluid is coming out from fruits is a damage symptom caused by which insect pest of cucurbit? Cucurbit fruit flies. Batrocepa cucurbiti or Daucus cucurbiti. Resinous fluid is coming out. Oozing of resinous fluid is coming out from the fruits of cucurbits. Maggots of cucurbit fruit flies feed on which part of the plants? Pulp of fruits. Feed on which part of the plants? Maggots of cucurbit fruit flies, pulp of fruits. Write about some damage symptoms caused by fruit flies on cucurbit plants. Premature dropping and of fruits. Also, fruits are unfit for consumption. Maggots feed on pulp of fruits. Oozing of resinous fluid come from fruits. Distorted and malformed fruits. Split on fruits. Infected fruits. Gummosis on fruits. Brownish internal tissues and stunted fruits growth. Which cultural methods are applied to control cucurbit fruit flies? Collect infected fruits and dried leaves then dump them in deep pits. Collect and destroy the flies. Adult flies. Adult fruit flies of cucurbits. Which type of traps are used to control cucurbit fruit flies? Fly traps are used to control having methyl eugenol are used to control cucurbit fruit flies. Fly traps with methyl eugenol. What is the composition of bait spray that is used to control the cucurbit fruit flies? What is its time of application? Bait spray composition 50 ml of malathion 50 EC plus 0.5 kg of gur or sugar in 50 ml of water. Repeated application in weekly or 7 days interval. Malathion 50 EC plus 0.5 kg of gur or sugar in 50 ml of water. Which repellents are used to control cucurbit fruit flies? Citronella oil, eucalyptus oil and vinegar. What are the repellents that are used to control cucurbit fruit flies? Citronella oil, eucalyptus oil and vinegar. What is the type of trap? Fly trap with methyl eugenol. And what is the bait spray composition? 50 ml malathion 50 EC plus 0.5 kg of gur or sugar in 50 ml of water. 7 days interval application. Which natural enemies are conserved and released in nature? Natural cucurbit population to control the fruit flies infestation. These are which type of parasitoids? What is their family? Conserve and release pupal parasitoids. Opias fletcheri, Opias compensatus and Opias incisus. Family is Braconidae. Pupal parasitoids, these are. So what are the parasitoids? Opias fletcheri, Opias compensatus, Opias fletcheri, Opias compensatus and Opias incisus. These are the pupal parasitoids that are used to control cucurbit fruit flies. Family is Braconidae. Write some biological measures to control the cucurbit fruit flies. Use baiting or bait spray. Biological control. Use repellents. Use fly traps with having methyl eugenol. Release and conserve pupal parasitoids in cucurbit fields. Which chemical compounds are used to control cucurbit fruit flies? Application of these compounds are done in which portion of cucurbit parts and on which live storage of cucurbits? Carbaryl at the rate 1 gram or malathion at the rate 1 liter per hectare in 500 liter of water. Carbaryl or malathion. Chemical application on congregating adult flies in the lower or underside of leaves. Chemical application on congregating adult flies in the lower or underside of leaves. Adults lay eggs after how many days of fruit flies maturity, or what is the adult phase? 5 to 10 days is the adult phase. Egg phase is 3 to 10 days, larval phase 10 to 15 days and pupal phase 8 to 10 days. Adult phase is 5 to 10 days. In which place pupation of cucurbit fruit flies occurred? In the ground. Pupation is occurred in the ground. The second type of Insect pest of cucurbits is pumpkin beetles. Pumpkin beetle has 3 species: Olophora fovicolis, Olophora sinata, and Olophora intermedia. Family is Galliducidae. Order is Coleoptera. What are the 3 species of cucurbit pumpkin beetles? Olophora fovicolis, Olophora sinata, and Olacophora fovicolis, Olacophora sinata, and Olacophora intermedia. What are the 3 species of cucurbit pumpkin beetles? Olacophora fovicolis, Olacophora sinata, and Olacophora intermedia. Family is Galliducidae. Order is Coleoptera. Colors: freshly hatched grubs color is dirty white, full grown grubs creamy white. Adults are Olacophora fovicolis, Olacophora sinata, Olacophora intermedia. Olacophora fovicolis is red, Olacophora sinata is greyish black, and Olacophora intermedia is blue. Olacophora fovicolis is red, Olacophora sinata is greyish black, and Olacophora intermedia is blue. So what is the feeding stage of cucurbit pumpkin beetles? Grubs. Which adult species of pumpkin beetles have listening yellow-red border around their body? Olacophora cincta. Olacophora cincta has yellow-red border on their body. Pumpkin beetles, Olacophora cincta. On which parts of pumpkin plants both grubs and adults life stages of pumpkin beetles feed on? Grubs remain below the soil surface, feeding on roots, underground stems of creepers, fruiting lying in contact with the soil. Adults feed on above the ground and soil surface. Grubs remain or feed on below the ground, and adults feed on above the ground or soil surface. In which months reproductive capacity is maximum of pumpkin beetles, or they become vegetative? In March to October. Reproduction capacity of pumpkin beetles is maximum and they become vegetative in March to October. In how many days the life cycle of pumpkin beetles is completed? 26 to 37 days life cycle. How many eggs are laid by one female adult pumpkin beetle? In how many batches the eggs can be laid? 300 eggs per female in 8 to 9 batches. 300 eggs per female in 8 to 9 batches. What are the cultural methods that are applied to control pumpkin beetles? Early planting of pumpkin in October to November to avoid damage by this pest. Frequent raking of soil beneath the crop to expose and kill the grubs and eggs. Hand collection and destruction of infected leaves and fruits. Early planting of pumpkins in October to November to avoid the damage by this pest. Frequent raking of soil. Which type of soil intercultural practice? Raking of soil beneath the crop to expose and kill the grubs and eggs. Hand collection and destruction of infected leaves and fruits. In which months early planting of pumpkin is done to control the pumpkin beetles? October to November. What are the chemical compounds that are used to control pumpkin beetles? Malathion 50 EC at the rate 750 ml, dimethoate 30 EC at the rate 500 ml, methyl dimeton 25 EC at the rate 500 ml. 500 gram of carbaryl 50 wettable powder in 500 to 750 liter of water per hectare. 7 kg of carbofuran at the rate 3 g per hectare. How much carbofuran is applied in 3 to 4 cm deep in the soil near the base of plants to control the pumpkin beetles? 7 kg of carbofuran at the rate 3 g per hectare. 7 kg of carbofuran at the rate 3 g per hectare is applied in 3 to 4 cm deep in the soil near the base of plants to control the pumpkin beetles of cucurbits. In which part of pumpkin plants carbofuran at the rate 3 gram per hectare is applied to control pumpkin beetles? Near the base of the pumpkin plants. In which crop? Near the base. In which crop growth stages carbofuran at the rate 3 g per hectare is applied to control pumpkin beetles? Just after pumpkin seeds germination and irrigation. Up to how much depth of soil carbofuran at the rate 3 g per hectare is applied to control pumpkin beetles? 3 to 4 cm deep into the soil. Hatch phase grubs, hatch phase 6 to 15 days, graft phase 13 to 25 days, pupal phase 7 to 17 days, and adult phase 60 to 85 days.